Hi, Kishan Panchal here. Today we are going to install Greenplum Backup and Restore utilities, go through all the commands, procedures, and start working with Greenplum Backup and Restore utilities. Greenplum Database support parallel and non-parallel methods for backing up and restoring database. Parallel operation scales regardless of number of segments in your system because segment hosts each write their data to a local disk storage simultaneously. With non-parallel backup and restore operation, the data must be sent over the network from the segment to the master, which writes all the data to its storage. In addition to restrict IO on one host, non-parallel backup requires that the master have sufficient local disk storage to store the entire database. Here my Greenplum database as well as my Greenplum command center is up and running. Let's start installing the Greenplum backup and restore utility. At first, go to VMware doc and check for the installation guide for Greenplum database backup and restore utilities. In this VMware document, you will find each and every command you will require. In the latest version, user can now restore data to a cluster that has a different number of segments than the cluster from which the data was backed up. Using the new resize cluster option, the backup set must be taken with gpbackup with version 1.26.0 or later and must be located in a shared storage location to which both Greenplum cluster have access. Download the Greenplum Backup and Restore utilities from the VMware product. Select the backup utility version as per your Greenplum cluster version as well as your OS. Now we are going to update our duplicate command with the new link for the Greenplum Backup and Restore utilities. Update the file name. As well as our authentication token from our VMware user profile. Execute our duplicate command. Install the Greenplum Backup and Restore using the gpbackup utility. Performing backups regularly ensure that you can restore your data or rebuild your Greenplum database system if data corruption or system failure occur. You can also use gpbackup to migrate data from one Greenplum database system to another. Verify the installation. Here I have restarted one of the segment hosts intentionally. We will monitor the Greenplum command center. For the current metric, what happened here? At first you can see it is showing us the mirror and the primary are down. In your scenario, this could happen in any case if your server gone for unscheduled reboot or if you are having a hardware failure. So first we will go to the segment status and check the status of the segments, and we are going to monitor the load as well as the disk space and verify which segment and mirrors are down. We can also quickly check via CLI. Just execute gpstate-e and it will list us the primary and the mirror which are down. But here our database is still available. That's all for today. Thank you guys. We will connect in the session 3 where we are going to troubleshoot our Greenplum cluster and perform recovery rebalance. Go through all the fault tolerance and the high availability feature of Greenplum database can be configured.